Hey guys, how you doing? Me Tom here, gonna do another vid. Gonna try and get a little heli demo going on here. We got helicopters of all kinds here. We got the Hobiko Fire Strike, the Blade MCX, the Apache Colco AH-64 going on, the EF Saber by Global. We got the Blade CP Pro there. We got the Helimax XCP and the HK 450 and then a T-Rex. Gonna attempt it all right here. Hopefully in less than 10 minutes I'm gonna get a short demo of each heli indoors. So here we go. I'm gonna put on a hat cam. How you guys doing? Here we go. Hopefully we'll get some good vid here. Ready to fly some helicopters? Alright, here we go. This would be the easy to fly Hobiko Fire Strike heli. Pretty stable, pretty fun to fly indoors. That's about it for the Hobiko Fire Strike. Back over. There it is. Pretty cool little unit. As all these helicopters are a pretty cool little unit. Next I'm going to do the Blade MCX. We'll progressively get bigger, I think. Except for this. Take that off right there. Here we go. Pretty fun little heli here. A little circuit around. Go up, over, down, and around, go up, over, and down. There it is, the Blade MCX, really fun indoor helicopter, right there. There's another one. Okay, next is gonna be the Hobiko the Colco coaxial. Did put nav lights on it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them during the day, but I'll give it a try. Let's start this one off over here from the piano. Here we go. in service. A little circuit. Does glitch, this little FM transmitter does glitch here and there, but that's about it. Oh, I'm gonna blow off my other helis. Pretty cool little indoor heli. And it back down on the piano over there. There it is, the Coco Apache AH64. Alright. 3-cell battery in there too, makes a world of difference. Next is going to be the EF Saber. Right here, only mod is the Super Boom, landing skids and tail boom, and that's about it, really. Gonna launch this one from the launch pad over here. Always make sure these blades are out straight too. Here we go. So you've all seen this guy before. Anyway, that's the EF Saber inside. Pretty cool little heli, fixed pitch. Here, 3-cell battery. Alright. Keeping the ball rolling here. Next, I'm gonna fly the Blade CP Pro. E-Flight. Blade CP Pro. It does have a brushless motor on it. It's about the only mod that I did on this. Brushless main motor, and that's about it. It has plastic blades. There we go with the Blade CP Pro. Alright, here we go. The tail is straight, sort of. There's Blade CP Pro. Another fun little heli.